Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. UK stocks suffer as GBP rally continues. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID CF996B91 2024 33:36 p.m. Another bout of sterling strength has hurt FTSE stocks, with airlines particularly coming under pressure. Meanwhile, the U.S. manufacturing PMI has impressed in a day dominated by PMI surveys. NBSP U.S. manufacturing outperforms, leading stocks higher. NBSP GBP strength hurts the FTSE. NBSP Airlines nosedive as Portuguese visitors could be quarantined once again. NBSP UK listed stocks are the big underperformer today, as a sharp rise in the pound serves to devalue the revenues earned abroad for many stocks. On a day dominated by PMI surveys, it is the US which has managed to outperform after posting an impressive 56.0 reading for the ISM manufacturing survey in August. With the polls signaling a Trump comeback, and the US economic picture clearly improving, we are seeing outperformance on the other side of the Atlantic today. Nevertheless, the dollar remains a consistent underperformer as the multi-month dollar sell-off looks to continue today. NBSP The dollar has once again come under significant pressure, with the continued rise in bust yet again acting as a hindrance to the FTSE 100, which has underperformed its European and US peers. With the Fed laying out a new environment where even a sharp rise in inflation will not stifle their huge stimulus efforts, traders are clearly preparing for a drawn-out period of easing as continued by the protracted dollar decline. Today's surprise negative Eurozone inflation reading highlights how above target CPI may be the last of the problems for central banks right now. With Europe on the slide, there is a feeling that negative inflation rather than above target inflation could provide the next central bank move. NBSP Airlines have been pummeled over the course of the day, with a late rebound doing little to ease pressure on a sector that continues to come under pressure. The recent removal of quarantine restrictions from Portuguese visitors had been one rare piece of good news, yet a swift rise in cases has raised fears of yet another bout of cancellations for the sector. The travel sector has endured a collapse of epic proportions over the course of 2020 thus far, and while the worst appears to be over, turbulence looks likely until we see a breakthrough that removes much of the current travel risk. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.